Hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to be installing a Turbo X spoiler, front lip spoiler, on my 2009 Saab 9.3 Aero cross-wheel drive. I found this on Saab parts and I thought, you know what, it's subtle enough just to give the car a little something else without being audacious or boy racer. This is a factory spoiler, so it's going to have a factory look, and that's what I wanted. I think it'll look good against the red paint with the black spoiler. We are about to find out. So here it is, it arrived. Let's get it unboxed. All right, here it is. Goes this direction. Saab original. Yeah. So these are rivet holes. I have a rivet gun, and we'll get this thing mounted up soon enough. So here's all the tools we need: a rivet gun, the rivets that came with it, and the spoiler. Okay, so what I want to do now is make sure before I drill any holes that I have the right size drill bit. And this, I don't have any metric drill bits, so this is a 3/16 drill bit, and it seems to line up good with the rivet size. So we're going to send that. Okay, the car's in the air. I can grab the spoiler for whatever this is. Let's line this thing up to see where our rivets all are, or where they all go. Okay, I have it pulled back so you can see more of the car versus that. So I think I have it centered, left to right. And the way this thing works, I just have it on with electrical tape for now. This car does not have the rivet holes in it, so there is no alignment. If you look inside of here, there are no holes anywhere. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to drill our holes into the plastics. And then the way this thing works is it lines up with the bumper. So one thing to note, when I pull this out to drill my hole that's lined up in the back, I am not worried about the sides yet. I want it to be held up, of course, but I'm not worried. If I get this all situated where it wants to be, lining this up over here is easier, as I have all of these riveted in place, pulled out like they're supposed to be, because that's how it's going to be. Anyway, let's get the middle in. Don't worry about the sides. Let's get this in first. So as I'm looking at this further, we're going to make a change from the plan. We're going to pull out on the sides to where it is even with the body here, where it's even with the bumper, or this other spoiler, this black spoiler here. If you see, it's even here. And when you do it on both sides, watch here, it brings the inside further out. If you can tell, it brings it out where there's a lip. So we want to line up the outer edges on the black part first, which is what we will do. We will drill this one first. That hole is in, only on the bottom. Perfect. So if you can tell, well, you can't tell. I drilled in the center of the hole. I didn't drill the whole width of this hole. So I have room to move it just a little bit if I need to. So right now what I want to do is I want to pop in a rivet just as a placeholder. Just like so. We can get it back out when we need to. Right? Just looking at making sure I'm far enough apart from one another. I think that's correct. All right, let's do our next one. I'm going to do the other side. Put our rivet in place. Okay. So now all we have to do is continue drilling and popping in our rivets. By lining it up on the edge, we've created a situation where the spoiler just wants to be here. I'm not having to shove it any one way to make it work. It wants to lay right here. All I've got to do now is drill in my holes and put in my rivets, and then we'll come back and pop them off. Okay, so now we're on our outer edge. So I'm gonna work my way out. So here she is on the car. Still got to go through and put our rivets or lock our rivets on. So let's do that. I'm going to work my way from the inside out on both sides. Okay, everything is on nice and tight. Not going nowhere. Locked into place. Looking good. All right, there she is. Just a little something, a little subtle. For those that know what that is. But not too in your face, boy racer. I wanted to look as though Saab could have put it on there from the factory, and they did put these on from the factory, but on black Turbo X's. This looks very nice. Car looks good. Anyway, YouTubers, if you like the video, like the video.